Thanks for riding along with Motorhead Garage presented by DragonFireTools.com. I know lots of you have RVs, maybe you love off-roading. Well, of course, you get into trouble out there, or just a simple matter of hitching up your trailer, you're going to want to use a bottle jack. There's no way to bring your whole floor jack out with you. But there's some pitfalls, Richard, that come with using a bottle jack when you're off-road or at your campsite.
Not everything is going to be flat on a vehicle when you want to use it. So especially if you're trying to jack up from an axle, it's a tubular thing, it's going to roll off.
Yeah, and this is all you get when you get a bottle jack.
Exactly.
They're great jacks, but this is it. So in ideal conditions on something flat, you can jack something up easily. You're on the trail, the side of the road, your campsite, and you've got a metal axle on top of this. It's going to slide right off.
Exactly.
So you guys at Bottle Jack Buddy came up with a solution.
We did.
Yeah, what's it look like? How does it work?
Okay, so this is our regular size. This is our larger size. And what this does is this cradles the axle. So if you have a solid axle on here, it's not going to roll off the jack.
It's as simple as that. And there's the largest for the larger axle, but it also accommodates the larger saddle here on the bottom.
Yeah, depending on your bottle jack.
Gotcha. So let's look and take a look at how it'll actually, we can apply it here with this. And you have two different sizes here. The axles, it fits perfectly. It'll keep it from sliding off here. How do I know this thing's going to last under the weight of my trailer or my vehicle?
Well, we've tested it up to 17,000 pounds.
That'll do.
100% U.S. steel, manufactured in the U.S. 100%.
And designed here as well.
It is, got a patented design, yes.
Now, how do I know what size axle I have and which Bottle Jack Buddy I'm going to need?
You can get information from the manufacturer. You could also look online, but there's a lot of different applications. A lot of vehicles build different axles depending on towing capacity. And as far as the jack, a lot of bottle jacks build 2 or 3 different sizes. So always measure your axle. Always measure your bottle jack.
What are some of the folks that use the Bottle Jack Buddy telling you some experiences they've had with it?
We've gotten great experience. The product sells itself. It works really well. We even had a guy recently, he had roadside assistance, brand new motorhome. He was on the side of the road for 4 hours, they never showed up. And so he actually has this product now, and he's actually been able to use it to change his own tire, which is really cool.
This is great for off-roaders, as we mentioned, and you showed it off first at Overland West last year. How was it received there?
So Expedition Portal did an article on it, and it was the top, most innovative product at Overland Expo West.
Kind of speaks for itself, too, and I understand you've been in some magazines as well?
Yep, Men's Journal being one of them as well.
Excellent, and there's a lot of imitators out there. How do we know that we're finding the real Bottle Jack Buddy?
So the best thing to do is look for the term Bottle Jack Buddy on the adapter, but also we have several retailers on our website, bottlejackbuddy.net. You can also get these on eBay, and if you buy on eBay, you can have them shipped internationally as well. eBay does all that, but we have multiple retailers in multiple states. You can find them on our website.
We have the regular and the large. What are the specs on those? What are the sizes?
So the regular will cradle up to a 3-inch axle, and the large will cradle up to a 4-inch axle.
And these are going to work for anybody if they're off-roading, if they're towing a trailer, and now even for a low-profile bottle jack like that, folks with a classic car or something like that.
Exactly. If you got an older race car or something like that, you can't fit one of these under the axle, you can buy jacks like these.
It's a perfect solution for jacking up your vehicle, maybe getting it out of trouble if you're off-road. It's the Bottle Jack Buddy. You can find it at bottlejackbuddy.net.